I accidentally opened it. But then I closed it when I realized, oh no, it's from the P.O. box. Okay, I'm not sure who it's from, but here it is. So it's 3 shirts. Classy as fuck. I like this. I love, like, I need more t-shirts that are not like XXL. Yeah. Oh, it's Susan Nuke. Thank you, Susan Nuke. Thank you. Or was it Susan Nuke who gave the blanket? The blanket is insane. Oh, yo, I sent that one. It's 2 for you and 1 for Nick. Forcer PT. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the shirts. So 2 are for me. This is so cute, EP. I'll be wearing this to sleep. Thank you. Thank you, Forcer. And I'm guessing this one is for Nick, so I'll give it to him. Yo, yeah, I could tell. I mean, it's 10x the size. It's hard to be humble when you're... What's this? Pin. Just in time.
Is this your mic or which mic are you using?
It's this one.
You know, you've gotten more in one P.O. box than I've gotten my entire career.
Dean, this is for you. Some are for you also. Look at the shirt.
Is that for me or is that for you?
That's for you, because I have 2 smaller ones for me.
Oh.
Yeah. Read it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Thank
Perfect
you.
like me. Did you see my blanket?
No.
Okay, thank you guys. Where's the top?
Who made that? Chat, who sent that? Who did that?
Was it Puffin? It was Puffin. Arctic Puffin.
So, am I going to see you downstairs laying under a blanket with Eric on it?
Yeah. Oh, this is funny. Where's he? Well.
Wow. Can't wait to see what else you get. This should be a good one.
Oh, these 2, look. I got so many Pokemon